Assalamualaikum grade 5. Hopefully you are all fine. Today we are going to start our 8th lecture and our topic of discussion is organ systems. So in the previous lectures we have studied about how cells are formed, how tissues formed and how organs formed. So let's see them one by one. So first of all, cells formed. When different cells combine together, they form tissues to form a specific function. When different tissues having same shape and function combine together, they will form organs. So let's see when different organs work together to carry out a specific function, they will form an organ system. This is a system in which different organs combine together and will help each other to perform a specific function. So this is called organ system. For example, if you see, when you feel hungry, this is also the example given on your book. When you feel hungry, you eat food. The food that you eat, can teeth along digest this food to give you energy? अगर सिर्फ आप उसे च्यू करते हैं तो क्या आपको ये एनर्जी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं? No. So for this purpose, to give you energy, different organs combine together to provide energy. So first of all, what will you do? You chew food, then it will go through the alimentary canal, it will reach our stomach, then from stomach it will goes to intestine, small intestine to large intestine, then it will absorb in the blood, and then it will provide energy to our body that we can use them to grow, repair and get energy. So different organs that work together to provide energy are mouth, stomach, liver and intestines. So these organ changes food into energy. So these are not only the one system that provide us energy. So there are different organ systems in our body that work together to perform different kind of functions. So they help us in our survival, they help us to live. So these systems carry out a specific job. So you can see here on the book that there are different systems given. The first system is circulatory system. So what is the function of the circulatory system? The basic purpose of the circulatory system is to circulate the blood. So you can see that there are different kind of veins and arteries labeled here. So their function is to circulate the blood throughout our body. So next system is nervous system. As the name indicates that it is related to brain. So it will carry messages and receive messages from our body. Next system is respiratory system. It will help us in breathing. It will help in breathing through different organs. Different organs in this system combine together to form a respiratory system which help in breathing. Next is digestive system. So these are liver, stomach, intestines and mouth. So these organs will make a digestive system which help in digestion. So next system is a skeletal system. So all of our bones that formed our body, they will together form our skeletal. So this is the skeletal system, the system of bones in our body that support our body to keep it in place. Next system is muscular system. So this is the system of muscles through which we can move with the help of bones. So all the muscles in our body forms the muscular system. So these are the systems in the animal bodies. So let's see what systems do plants have. Plants have two kind of systems that work together with each other to perform different functions of the plant. So the first is root system and the second system is the shoot system. So root system includes the entire roots of the plant, that the function of the root is to anchor the plant and to provide it water and nutrients. And the second system is the shoot system. So the shoot system include the stems, leaves, branches and fruits. So this all part is called the shoot system. So these two systems are major systems in the plant. They work together to make a complete plant. So these are two systems in the plant body. They work together with each other to form a complete plant. And now it's your homework time. Now come at the page number 15 of your textbook and look at the question number 4. Name 5 human organ system. We have studied some different systems. So you will write the names of 5 organ systems. So this is your homework. Hope you understand today's lecture. That's it. So take care and Allah Hafiz.